Gold traded with little swings today, hitting the lows at 26.25. We have seen it posting a very strong recovery towards 26.50, while silver bounced back sharp from the support levels at 29.40 and now has seen already 30.35, 30.40 zone. So, what to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Can we expect that the bulls are back and the rally is about to begin here in metals, or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical level. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. First, when you look at the gold on the hourly chart, see it has posted a V-shaped recovery. Look at the drop here and the rise here, and now it has hit higher highs. So now it is very crucial for gold to trade above 26.50-52 zone. That is the zone above which you can say now the bulls are back, and beyond this chances will be high at 26.60, and then beyond 26.60 you can expect this time 26.71 and 26.76-78 levels to be there. But right now I can see these levels are to provide a very good resistance towards 26.50-52. And also notice a V-shaped recovery. Notice this formation, so it can try to retrace here like this, where it can move towards 26.38 levels before bouncing back up. So this is the possibility which I am looking at, and that is why I say till 26.30 levels also do not treat gold as bullish, only and only if it breaks beyond 26. So do not trade bearish below as long as it stays about 26.30-32 zone. Only and only if it breaks below 26.30-32, you can say that the bears are back. Else it might try to bounce back from the levels here. Look at the stochastic. This is rising. MACD has seen the lows. It has seen the bottom. It is crossing over for the buys. RSI is comfortable here. When you look at the two on the 2 hour chart, similar observations. See drop, retracement, drop, and it is bouncing back. So now if it stays about 26.50-52, consider that what has happened here. Notice the formation, the rise, the retracement, and now if it breaks out here about 26.50-52 and then towards 26.60, just stay bullish for the week for gold. You can expect it to move towards 26.71, 26.76-78 zone. Possibility will remain very high. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. Yes, it has delivered the wave. It is waiting for a crossover here. This crossover might confirm the reversal. RSI is flat on the 3. The observation is almost same. And see what I'm looking at is a movement like this, where it can come down towards 26.38 and then bounce back from these levels. This possibility which I am looking at. So this is strong here, but any point of time if it stays directly about 26.50-52, just stay bullish. Yes, it is taking the support from the 20 period. The moving averages have crossed over. These are running parallel as of now. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is bearish still. This is one which is I am cautious of. A crossover here will definitely confirm a reversal. RSI running flat on the 4. Similar observation here on the 4-hour chart. See a very strong bullish candle has appeared. Now wait for it to break beyond 26.50-52. That will confirm the next move towards 26.60. Also notice the crossover here. The moving averages are still in the buy side. What it has done with the dip today, it has come down from the levels which we are seeing the rise, and now posting slightly higher lows, trying to bounce back. Also, if you connect it here, you can say that it is trying to create a moderately bullish channel here, where this was the channel earlier. Now it has changed the slope. So now I'll wait for it to trade beyond 26.60, which will confirm the complete reversal for the week, and then you can look forward to a stronger rally here for the week in gold. The stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD is bearish here on the 4-hour charts. Remember this fact, MACD is still on sell. And if you notice rise, retracement, rise, it can still retrace further on the downside. RSI has also posted a recovery coming to. And before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video. Now, when you look at the daily chart, see on the daily charts, what has happened here after, see, look at the drop here. This is 26.65, which we had seen the highs. It has retraced towards the same zone. Look, there was a single candle, and since then it is trading in this bullish channel. This is a retracement channel. And now once gold trades beyond 26.65, we can say now we are looking forward to possible rise towards 26. 85, or in fact 2700 zone, or in fact 2720. But right now I can see a bit of a struggle here. So it is very very crucial first on the daily chart for gold to trade about 2660-65. Second thing, what has happened for the day, you should notice this. Look at the last candle, that is the last trading session on Friday. We have seen a massive swing hitting the highs. We have seen a very strong dip here. Now, what has happened today? Lower highs are seen, lower lows. So there is still a possibility that it can break beyond 2650-52. But as long as now 2660 is not taken, we have to be cautious. Now, notice what has happened here. See, it has started on a bearish note, and now 2640 is the level below which you can again expect that the candle will turn red. And now, once the candle turns red, there is a possibility that, see, earlier in the day what did we discuss? One bullish candle, couple of retracement candle, and then a bounce back. So this could still follow this same formation. Look at the stochastic dropping sharp here, while the MACD after the crossover, it is looking upwards trying to trade bullish, and it is having a strong scope for further rise though. RSI comfortable here. So consider, first I'll recommend a buying entry now at 26 48 levels, or rather I will say 2650-52 zone. That is should be ideal buying entry for us, because beyond 2650-52 you can expect gold to move towards 2660 levels. 5860 should be the first target, then 2665, and if it breaks this, next is 2671, and then towards 2676-78. While on the downside now, I'll recommend a selling and 2640 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 2636, 2630-32. And if 2630, and as I have mentioned earlier in the day, till 2630-32 zone is not taken, you have to put a 20 pips trailing stop loss. Below 2630-32 is where the bears are waiting, where you can expect it to correct more. If it draws below 2630-32, 2624-25 is the first target, and then we can look forward to the most important support zone at 2618-20. I do not see it breaking below 1820 here. There is a possibility of a retracement, but I will say in between 2630 and 40 zone is where you need to exercise caution. Prices can again reverse from those levels. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to, see, silver on the hourly charts consolidated here, retraced, taken the support from the critical support zone at 2940 and bounced back here. Now it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. The bands are widely expanded here, and it is finding it difficult to break beyond the next resistance zone at 3040, 3050. So now once you see silver trading above 3040, initiate a buying entry again. Expect it to move towards 3060 and then towards 31. Possibility is there that if it stays above 3060, more bullishness should prevail, where 31 should be the next target. See, earlier since last week we have seen $30 levels to be the stronger one, and if you had watched my weekly review, I mentioned once it is breached $30 levels, 3025, 3050 levels are possible. So now it has come towards the same zone, and that is why if you see it is staying above 3040, initiate a buying position here. Also notice what has happened: stronger base, then the rise retracement, and again looking upward. So at current levels, just you need to exercise a bit of caution here. If you notice, a stochastic has back to overbought levels. The MACD is widely divergent, is strongly bullish looking upwards. RSI is back to overbought zone as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, when you look at the 2 on the 2-hour charts, it has formed a tail now on the 2-hour charts, forming a tail, but yes, it is completely outside Bollinger Bands, finding it difficult to break beyond. Also 3040, 3050 is a good resistance zone, and hence now once silver trades above 3040, 3050, chances will be very very high that in this week itself we may see silver back to 31 levels. Also notice what it is trying to do. See this, it has hit the highs of the channel, and from here the retracement on the downside is possible though, but right now it appears it is finding it difficult with the dip here. If you see it is staying below 30 to 2990, you can say more bearishness should prevail. As long as 2990 is respected, we have to be careful with the sells here. Stochastic back to overbought here. MACD crossed over again looking upwards trying to trade with bullishness. The RSI is back to overbought zone as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3-hour charts as well, yes, it is putting extreme pressure on the bands to expand. Yes, it has hit the highs here. It is trading in the channel here. The lows of the channel are now towards 2990, 2980 zone. This should be the strongest support zone here, if at all silver shows any down. And also notice this was the resistance earlier. Now this is going to be the support zone. So as long as 2980, 2990 is respected, we have to be careful with this. Stochastic rising here back to overbought levels. MACD divergent, MACD bullish. RSI is back to overbought zone as well. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts here, yes, it has formed a tail and it appears it is ready for a rise here. I'll wait for 3040 levels, 3050 levels to be taken. Beyond 3040, 3050, it is going to post a very strong rally where it can stop at around $30, $80, $31 level. So this is the point where you can initiate a buying entry. 30, 40, 30, 50 is the zone where you have to exercise a bit of caution, else the bulls. Also notice on the 4-hour charts, the moving averages have crossed over here, and this is a clear bullish sign. So every retracement till towards 29.40, 29.50 is a good opportunity for us to exercise the buying option. Stochastic rising, the MACD is divergent and bullish, the RSI back to overbought zone. Coming to the on the daily chart, see increasingly bullish candle here. Higher highs are seen, higher lows are seen, and I think it is going to be difficult here for silver to break beyond 30, 40, 50. And once it stays above this, we can exercise a buying option and expect it to rise more. Right now, yes, it is staying bullish, but I can see it definitely struggling at around this zone. And once it breaks beyond this, chances will be high that 31 has to be there. Also notice what silver has done here. It has formed a double bottom, and now also on the daily charts, it is right now trading bearish. So once it stays above the 100 period moving average, more bullishness should prevail. Stochastic rising, the MACD is crossed over at the bottom. This we have discussed. Double bottom is seen, and after the crossover, it is looking upwards. So signs are still very much encouraging for the bulls here. RSI is rising. So looking at this buy, when you see silver is staying above 30.40, that is the only level above which I will recommend a buy. Expect 30.60, 38, and $31 levels as the next targets, and in the near term, in fact, if it stays above 31, you can say 32 has to be there very, very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here in silver at around 30.15 levels, where you can expect $30 levels and 29.85, 29.80. Once it drops below 29.80, that is the point of time you can say now silver is in the sell zone. Again, below 29.80 is where the bears should be back in action, and specifically when you see where the day has started at around 29.60. So as long as now 29.60 is not taken, I will not recommend you to consider silver as bearish for the day. As long as 29.60 is respected, stay bullish here. That is what you can consider. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Thank